guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this look on my channel. Red lips, really pretty eyes. It's kind of like a before and after, like the magic of makeup. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, enjoy how I do my makeup. And if you guys do enjoy, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like. And I'll see you guys in the next video. We're gonna start off with my Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1. We're gonna put this all over the face. It smells like coconuts. I love it. We're gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is the color corrector in green for my blemishes. Because yo girl got a lot of blemishes. My beauty blender. Just blend that all in. Then we are going with the Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Foundation. This one is in 3W1 Dusk. Beauty blender. And blend it in. I'm gonna go in with my Mercier translucent powder to set all my makeup. I'm gonna go in with my Physicians Formula bronzer booster. I'm gonna put that on the rest of my face. Wet n Wild blush brush. Going in with my Hoola Benefit bronzer. And gotta put that on my face too. I'm gonna go back in with my Mercier translucent powder, and I'm gonna take my Morphe beauty blender or sponge, and I'm going to clean up. So it's nice. Sure. Then again, I'm going in with my Too Faced 3-in-1. I'm going to set, and then I'm gonna add highlighter. Ooh-wee. It feels good. Yeah, it feels good. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Feels good. I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter in, I don't know which one this one is. Doesn't say. Going with the Wet n Wild highlighter brush. Then I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting palette, like this, with the same Wet n Wild brush. I'm gonna take probably this one right here. The color is so pretty. On top of that one. I did my eyebrows already. Now we're gonna go with eyeshadow. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe 35F palette. It's beautiful. You wanna see it? I show you. Oops, that bell is okay. Isn't that beautiful? Beautiful palette. And we're gonna go in with this shade right up here. That's to highlight the brow bone. We're gonna go in with the Morphe M167, and that's gonna be to highlight the brow bone. And we're doing this look as simple as possible. That never usually happens, but. I'm going back with my 35F palette from Morphe, and I'm taking this transition color right here on the bottom. And I'm taking the Wet n Wild blending brush, and I put that, I'm gonna buff it in. Going back with that palette, I'm gonna take that second transition color right next to that first color that I picked, which is this one, with that same brush. Then I'm gonna go in with one more color, and it's going to be this color in the same palette right here. I'm gonna take the Morphe M433 brush with that color. I'm just gonna deepen the outer and inner V just a tad. I'm gonna take my Tarte tape shape. I'm gonna cut, kind of doing like a spotlight in the middle of my eye with my concealer brush. Then I'm taking a Morphe flat brush like this, kind of a blending brush, and then I'm going to set it with a little bit translucent powder. Going back with my Morphe brush, I'm going to, Morphe palette, I'm going to take this color again, and a small pencil brush. No, I'm gonna take more of an angle fluffy brush, and this is a Morphe. I'm gonna take that color, kind of deepen just the ends here. Then I'm going to take my Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting, and I'm gonna take this color. I think it's called Diamond Lily, and it's this one right here. That color. I'll put that right in the center. Maybe I'll use my Morphe M167. I'm gonna wet it a little bit with my Too Faced. I'm gonna grab some of that product. And I'm gonna wet it. I did do my wing liner off of camera, of course, because sometimes it's a little annoying. So I'm just gonna go back with the same colors from the Morphe palette that I used on my bottom lash. And I'm just gonna go in with this brush, with the Morphe brush. I'm actually just gonna mix them all together. Just kind of smoke out the bottom lash line. I'm gonna take a pencil brush from Morphe as well. Jesus Christ. Oh, Morphe's. And then I think I'm going to take these two colors right here. I'm gonna blend them together, and I'm kind of smudge that on top of that eyeliner. I'm gonna put lashes on, and I'll be right back. So I finished my eyes. I put mascara on, and let me see where my mascara is. It's the same one that I've been using for a while now. It's the Origins Ginseng Brighten Mascara. Yeah, I love this mascara. So now I'm gonna go in with my Jordana Sedona Red lip liner, and then I'm gonna top it off with my Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this one is American Doll. So I did set my face with my Hangover 3-in-1, and this is my final result for my before and after. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please stay tuned for the next video because it will be my video talking about my giveaway. I'm still tweaking a little bit of things, but I will be uploading that video for you guys and letting you know how you are able to enter. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel, give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you beautiful people in my next video. Bye.